In this video, I will show you how to set your favorite page as the default page that opens up when you launch Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. Let's imagine that every time you open up your Nerdio Manager, there is a particular page you want to see. Today, the default is going to the workspaces page where you have to drill into a particular workspace. But for instance, let's say you want to go to look at a specific host pool that has most of your users. So let's imagine it's this host pool called Field Apps, right? It's pretty deep down in our navigation tree. So it's under workspaces, under host pool, and it shows us a view of these hosts. If we wanted this to become our default page, all we have to do is click on this star right here, and this will allow us to create a custom view from this page. So let's just say custom view and check this box that says view this, set this view as the default page. We're going to click OK. And then if we were to reload our Nerdio Manager to the root page, we will automatically get redirected to see exactly what it is we selected on the previous screen, which is that particular Field Apps host pool. Now, what if we want to go to, let's say, the Azure Files page? We can do that as well. So if we navigate to Azure Files and click the star right here, then since this is not a dynamic page in the same sense as the hosts one, we can just click OK. And now this has become our default page. So if we were to reload this page right there, you'll see we will automatically end up on the page that we set as default. Some people like to go to the dashboard. So for example, if the summary dashboard for all workspaces is the place that you want to go to when you first load Nerdio Manager, then you can do the same thing. Click the little star on the top right, click OK. Once it gets filled in, you know that page is your default. And then if we were to go back into Azure Files, this one is no longer the default because there can only be one default page, while this one is. And then if we are just going to reload our Nerdio Manager, and you will see that's going to automatically take us to the page that we set as default. So just another improvement in helping you see exactly the information you need when you load your Nerdio Manager without you having to drill in and look for it, saving you several clicks. Hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.